How to recover deleted TikTok messages. What's up everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily recover your TikTok messages that have been deleted. But before getting started, make sure to head down below to hit the like button and subscribe button as well. On that note, let's begin. So the first thing that you want to do is just open up your TikTok application and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you do that, head over to your profile at the bottom right and now tap on the hamburger menu to pop out this menu right here. Tap on settings and privacy. Once you get here, all you have to do is just tap on accounts. Now from here you will have an option to download your data, which also includes your posts, your comments, and also your messages. Tap on it. And once you tap on download your data, it will look something like this. So here you can also select the data that you want to download, and if you choose custom, you can only choose messages like this. So tap on done, so only your messages will be downloaded. So from here you can choose your text file as txt, and once you do that, tap on request data. Now you just have to be patient and wait for up to 2 days because TikTok will take some time to approve your download request and you will be notified on your email. After that, you can easily download your data. I hope you found this helpful and I will see you guys on the next one.